You found your binky and your blanket, huh? People are supposed to come fix our heater. Are supposed to come today. Yeah. Is that your blanket? Hi. You like going in circles? Are you getting any drink out of there? Is there any drink in there? What's in there? A block? Are you making me some food? You want to make me some pizza? Pizza and brownies and no bake cookies. This is why your mom has to be on a diet every day, because she likes junk food too much. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Oh my goodness. Is that so yummy? You're so cute. Aaron won these in a white elephant gift and I took them. I don't think they would fit his feet. You are so cute. Heating guy just left, and it was a really quick fix. It was just our sensor, our heater. It turns it off if not all the gas is lit, which is good because it keeps us from getting a gas leak. But the sensor was broken, and so it shut the whole thing down. But we have heat. I can already start feeling a difference. So we're gonna eat some lunch now. Starting to scrape the popcorn off the ceiling. I'm in my guest bathroom because we don't, I just realized I was videoing sideways. Because we don't have a vacuum working right now, I just decided to start in the bathrooms since I can sweep them up. It's fairly easy actually. I'm trying to hold a bucket underneath. My kitty just came to say hi. I put a bucket underneath so I can catch it. And I'm spraying it with water. And it's catching it pretty quickly. So, got you a book? A good book? Yeah. Are you helping Mama cook? Yeah, for sure. Sorry, that was the second time the camera was sideways. I'm just cooking up some fajitas. Waiting for Aaron to get home. Lucy's waiting for food to drop. Is that you and Dad's thing? Mom, get your own thing.
He's laughing at you.
I'm laying down. I haven't laid down all day, but I did need a break. And my little guy's just cuddling with me. I feel like a little playground right now. On an adventure. I saw a project from the Sorry Girls on YouTube and I got inspired, and so now we're all taking a family trip to Walmart. Hour because I can't make up my mind about anything. But Ollie's having a good old time. Just got back from Walmart and this is what I picked up for my little project. Comment below if you have an idea about what I'm making. Feels funny saying that considering there's literally 3 of you that watch my videos, but that's alright. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna be working on that tonight. It won't be in today's vlog because we're about to put Ollie to bed. But I'll probably try to show some of what I'm doing in tomorrow's vlog. Did you have fun?
Sleepy.
Okay. Do you want some milk? I bet so. We just put Ollie to bed. He's kind of going through a weird phase where he doesn't want to go to bed. Like, he's usually really easy and just goes down automatically, but so he'll go to sleep eventually. I forgot to show you what I did, the progress I made on the bathroom. So here's the ceiling. We got all the way up here, and then we still have this much left. So we got about halfway, a little less than halfway over the bathroom, and then all above the toilet to still have to do. So progress. Also, I'm gonna end the vlog here, so thanks for watching and we'll see you tomorrow.